Hey guys, are you want to buy best fan controllers for PC? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best fan controllers for PC that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Altree PC fan controllers, this 4-pin PWM Fan Speed Controller is a reliable and efficient solution for managing multiple fans in your PC setup. It supports up to 6 PWM 4-pin fans not included, providing excellent flexibility for cooling customization. The controller features a dual power supply input, compatible with both SATA 12V and DC 5.5 by 2.5 mm, 5525, 12V, allowing easy integration with various power sources. With a maximum total power output of 60 W, 5A 12V, each port supports up to 2A current, ensuring stable and safe operation without exceeding the combined 5A limit. Users can fine-tune fan speeds precisely with an adjustable PWM duty cycle ranging from 1 to 99, achieving the perfect balance between performance and noise. The package includes the fan controller unit only, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who already have compatible fans and need an affordable, high-performance control solution. Now our second product is Altree PC fan controllers. This 4-pin PWM Fan Speed Controller offers excellent flexibility and performance for custom cooling setups. It supports up to 6 PWM 4-pin fans not included, and is not compatible with 3-pin or 2-pin fans. The controller features dual power input options, Type-C 12V, QC 3.0/PD 3.0 supported, and DC 5.5 by 2.1 mm, 5521, providing versatile power connections for different systems. With a maximum total power output of 60 W, 5A 12V, and each port supporting up to 2A, it ensures stable operation across all connected fans. The PWM duty cycle can be adjusted in 10 increments, 0 to 100, offering precise speed control. Convenient indicator lights display voltage status, blue for normal 12V, orange for low voltage, below 11.8V, and red for critical levels, below 8.4V. Compact and efficient, this unit includes only the fan speed controller, making it ideal for PC builders who demand fine-tuned cooling control and clear power feedback. Our third product is Dlink's PC fan controllers. This adjustable AC to DC fan speed controller is a versatile and reliable cooling solution for various devices. With an input of AC 100 at 240V and an adjustable output of DC 3 at 12V, max 36W, it efficiently powers and controls both 3-pin and 4-pin PWM fans. Ideal for PCs, laptops, receivers, Xbox, DVRs, PlayStations, and other components, it offers flexible compatibility and dependable performance. The multi-speed controller allows precise adjustment of fan speed, enabling users to balance noise and airflow for optimal cooling efficiency. Beyond fan speed control, it also supports dimming and temperature regulation, adding extra versatility for DIY and tech applications. Built for consistent operation and user convenience, this controller ensures smooth performance and easy adjustment. Plus, with responsive after-sales support, users can count on reliable service if any quality issues arise, making it a practical and affordable cooling control option. Now number 4, Tokatuker PC fan controllers. This 12V fan speed controller delivers powerful and flexible cooling management for a variety of devices. With an adjustable 3A12V DC output and 36W max power, it supports up to 4 3-pin or 4-pin fans simultaneously. Designed for global use, it accepts 100 240V AC input, ensuring stable DC output up to 3A for consistent performance. The included 4-way splitter cable lets you manage multiple fans at once, making it ideal for PCs, amplifiers, AV receivers, and gaming consoles. Featuring a total cable length of 5.5 feet, 1.7 meters, including a 1.3-foot AC plug, 3-foot DC output, and 1.3 feet splitter, it offers excellent flexibility and easy setup in any workspace. The adjustable speed control allows fine-tuning between quiet operation and powerful airflow, helping maintain optimal temperatures while minimizing noise. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, this fan controller is perfect for anyone seeking reliable cooling customization. And our last choice is PlusRock PC fan controllers. The PlusRock 4-pin PWM fan controller is a compact, powerful solution for precise airflow control in any PC or small system. Compatible with all standard 12V PWM fans from top brands like Noctua and Arctic, It's perfect for gaming rigs, servers, and custom builds. The plug-and-play USB design requires no BIOS setup or software, just connect to a 5V USB source and enjoy instant 12V fan control via the built-in boost converter. It supports input 5V/9V, output 12V at 0.7A, max 8W, for efficient operation. With the included 4-way PWM fan splitter, you can manage up to 4 fans simultaneously using a single manual speed dial that adjusts smoothly from 0 to 100, complete with an on-off to 10 switch for precision. Built with durable silicone wiring and a strong adhesive mount, the Plus Rock controller combines reliability, flexibility, and simplicity, ideal for quiet, efficient cooling control. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.